Hey, welcome back. This is Lieutenant Dan with 4U Brewing Supplies. Today we are going to replace a battery in a Tilt Hydrometer. Very cool piece of equipment. Stick around. All right, so here we have our Tilt floating hydrometer. Has a small problem. The battery has died. So we are going to break into this guy. So if you have a Tilt hydrometer, you know that they are very fantastic. Send readings of your specific gravity and your temperature every 15 minutes to a spreadsheet in the cloud. Very handy. This is a very cool piece of equipment. So, as you may be able to tell, there's some threads on this side and the little kind of rubber gasket. I have some strap wrenches here, and we're going to wrestle this cap off of here with any luck whatsoever. So let's see what we can do. And I've found the strap wrenches to be the most effective because I want to just kind of get this edge, and if you watch the channel at all, you know that I have super fantastic luck with wrenches. So actually, wrenches and me have a special relationship. So the thing about strap wrenches is getting them tight so they'll engage. And if this doesn't work, then we'll try something else. So we'll just leave that wrench on. So we are loose. Come on there. Well, you know, come. There it is. And then it's just a simple battery swap. So there's your tilt without its surmounting. So we have a fresh battery here. Break in. So here's our fresh battery. And I don't know if you saw, so I'll take the battery back out. So the battery goes in, and there's our indicator light. So all good in the hood. So we shall seat that guy back in there. And we just tighten her back up. That is how you replace a battery on a Tilt hydrometer. Very cool piece of equipment. I highly recommend it. I use one myself. I typically, in my experience, and I use my Tilt pretty much continuously. So mine really never shuts off. I typically get about 18 months of battery life with it never shutting off. So your results may vary, but so there you go. If you have any questions, hit us in the comments and hit the subscribe button. Watch some of these other videos over here, And I appreciate your time. You have a wonderful day.